So, hi. Ako gyapon ay si Remar. So, karon mag-solve ta o problem using Ampere's law. Nga tay problem na a an electrical student is observing a closed wire that has a radius of 2 meters and carries a 7.5 amperes current. He needs you to calculate its magnetic field and magnetic field intensity with the length same as the radius. So, ato na siyang solve using Ampere's law. So, first, ito nang ipakilid ang problem. Solution. Identify nato ang mga given. So, naatay radius na 2 meters. Then, current na 7.5 amperes. Then, state niya na same siya blend sa radius. So, natin length na 2 meters yapon. So, using Ampere's law natin formula na mu sub 0 times I over 2 pi times radius. Then, ang mu sub 0 na siya value na 4 pi times 10 raised to negative 7. So, na tayo formula na gamiton. Substitute na lang tayo ang mga values. 4 pi times 10 raised to negative 7 times 7.5 na current over 2 pi times radius na 2 meters. So, nato gamit ang calculator. 4 pi times 10 raised to negative 7 times 7.5 over 2 pi times 2 meters na length ay na radius equals 7.5 times 10 raised to negative 7 Tesla. So, mao niya to magnetic field. Then, gi-state sa problem na kuhaan sa nato ang magnetic field intensity. So, ang formula sa magnetic field intensity is inani. Magnetic field intensity equals length over 2 pi times radius. So, substitute na length na 2 meters. Then 2 pi times radius na 2 meters. Yapon. We have natay to divide 2 pi times 2 equals 0.159. Mao niya to magnetic field intensity. So, maura. Thank you.